Boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas here with another delicious cocktail, actually with another delicious couple cocktails. Today we're gonna show you the Dead Man Fingers Pineapple Rum, and we're gonna have two cocktails in one. Please stay with me and check this out. You're gonna like it. All right, so what are we gonna do today? Well, we're gonna do the Bajan Milkpunch, and we're gonna do the Blue Cuban. Okay, so this is gonna be a couple martinis, and well, I gotta be very honest with you. I have tried only one of them, which is the Blue Cuban. I like it. The Bajan Milk, well, I don't know. I'm not too sure about it, but it seems to be like it's a really, really good cocktail according with the ingredients. So let's start with this bit back. So, the Blue Cuban. We're gonna need some pineapple rum. In this case, I'm using Dead Man's Fingers. This is a UK rum, absolutely delicious. Let's go for 2 ounces. We're gonna go for 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. We're gonna go for 1 ounce of fresh lime juice and 1 ounce of fresh pineapple juice. Cool. Let's give it a shake. With ice. Cool thing for this cocktail, guys, you don't need any garnish. The nice blue color, it is more than a presentation. All right, this is gonna be the Blue Cuban. And now let's try the Bajan Milkpunch. Obviously, we're gonna need our martini glass. And we're gonna use 1.75 ounces of Dead Man's Fingers. We're gonna need 3/4 ounce of Orgeat. And we're gonna need 2.5 ounces of Almond Milk. I know this sounds a little different, and it's a little bit different for me as well. So let's see how it goes. 2.5. Let's put some ice, and let's give it a good shake. All right, let's get in a strain with a double strain. And we're gonna finalize it with a little bit of nutmeg on top. Just a little pinch. There we go. This is really good. You gotta try this. This It's like if it was like pineapple eggnog. A little bit of nutmeg.
You like it?
It's good. It's really good. I mean, I don't want to get drunk in this, that's for sure. It's really good. Bajan Milkpunch. Oh, there we go. Wait, try. The producer has to, give it approval. I start liking this guy. It's good, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Bajan Milkpunch, Blue Cuban, by Dead Man's Fingers. Cheers, everyone.